How to cancel Sephora order before it ships. Hey everybody, if you guys would like to cancel in Sephora order, you may follow up the steps. So head over and open up any of the browser and go to sephora.com first and navigate to the order details page. For that, look out for your username in the dashboard and tap on it, and it opens up like this. And from here, you may go ahead and look out for this option called view and track online or pickup orders and tap on it. And once you do so, you will be taken to this page right here with all of your orders available. So you can just go ahead and find the specific order that you would like to cancel. Once you reach over here, just go ahead and do so. And then once you find the order, you can basically look out for the details and find an option called cancel option. So if the cancellation option is available, you can just go ahead and tap on the cancel my order button or link in the order details page or within your account, and just go ahead and follow the prompts in order to cancel your order, and that's it. If the cancellation option is not available, it means that your order has already been entered to the shipping process and is no longer eligible for cancellation. In this case, you would need to initiate a return once you receive the order. But in order to cancel the order, you just need to head over to the order section and look out for cancel button and give reasons why you would like to cancel the order. After that, follow the prompts instructions in order to do so, and you should be able to cancel your Sephora order before it even ships. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to cancel your Sephora order, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.